With Cursor.sh open, we're going to try to fill in some gaps in knowledge and go deeper on our subject. Let's say as we're reading the README, we looked around and we noticed that it said to use Hatch. Hatch is a environment and deployment management tool for Python. So what we're going to do is we're going to open our chat window in Cursor, and then from here we could select a model. We have GPT-4o, some built-in Cursor ones, other things, and then even the new GPT-4o Mini that just released a few days ago, and then Claude if you're interested in that. What is Hatch for Python? Hatch is a modern project management tool for Python that helps manage dependencies, virtual environments, and packaging. It aims to simplify the development workflow by providing a unified interface for various tasks such as creating virtual environments, running tests, and building packages. Why would you use Hatch? Unified tooling. Hatch combines multiple tools in one, reducing the need to switch between different tools for environment management, dependency management, and packaging. Easily create and manage isolated virtual environments for your project. Simplifies the process of specifying and installing dependency configuration in a single pyproject.toml file. Streamlines the process of building and publishing packages to PyPI or other repositories. Integrates with testing frameworks and runs easily. So it's awesome. Now it's telling us how Hatch works. They say pip install Hatch. We use Brew. Project initialization. Here's how we can do a new Hatch project. Hatch and create, which we're doing in our actual README, and then activate the shell, and you can see it's here too. Dependency management. Add dependencies to your pyproject.toml file and install them. So we can say hatch and install, or then we can run script. This is similar to do a package JSON in the JavaScript world where you can have specific scripts set up to run. And that's what are set up over here, such as we have hatch run gilded rows, and hatch run text. Building and publishing. So if we wanted to actually publish, we could do that too. And then it actually even gives us an example of a pyproject.toml. If we look in our project, we have a pyproject.toml. Can you explain the parts of this pyproject.toml to me, please? I am new to that. Certainly, let's break it down. So it's talking about the build system. This section specifies the build system requirements. Required list packages needed to build the project. Here it specifies Hatchling, which is a lightweight build backend for Hatch. It explains our project. So you can see it tells us what the name, dynamic versioning, descriptions, license, README, authors, all those things. And it breaks down basically our pyproject.toml one by one. So using our AI tools, we can fill gaps in knowledge and go deeper in on subjects. This includes our tools and utilities within our projects, but also could be applied to the domain and other things that we are interested in. We're now on our ways to becoming experts in anything we want.